Hello, people of the internet. Today we are playing epic minigames. I'm still loading it. Okay, um, and I just wanted to play this for fun. I don't know what this game is. Okay, wait. Okay, jeez. Oh, I suck at this one. Ooh. Ah! Okay. What? I'm pressing them. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing all of these. I don't know what's going on. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I just needed to click so that it was focused on this game and not the recorder. Okay. Okay. I'm freaking out. I'm so bad at these usually. Oh no. If it goes any faster, I'm out. I'm definitely gonna lose this one because of the way I started out. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna lose. Oh shoot. Ugh. Yeah, I lost. It's fine. You could just win on the next one. But this is a first account I've ever made, so it's still got my previous stuff like level 30 and all my wins. Oh no. I'm okay at this one. But I just suck at this one. Everybody usually gets the target before I do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, I want that. I can't tell if I'm getting these or not. Okay, hold on. Let me use my mouse. Come on. Oh my god. No, I'm definitely gonna lose this. I can't tell if I'm getting it or not. There are too many people doing, like, aiming for the same target. It's not, no. They're my targets, get away. I thought it was over. Because I saw, like, a ton of targets go down. Nope, I didn't win. Nice. I'm just gonna blame that on the fact that I said that I would win this one. An ant. This guy wanna play with me? Like, a lot of people just do patterns, like, only pressing on the brown ones. But nobody really plays this little mini game in the mini games. Oh my god. I only suck at this one if I miss the first round of bullets. Because the first round of bullets is so easy. Oh. Okay, we got it. Okay. Okay. I really didn't think I was gonna get that. We got it. But yeah, I wanna launch myself really quick. Oh, like this guy. Watch him go. Woo. Oh, it only launches you in one. Well, I'm sure you could. I don't know. I thought you could like make it go a different direction. Maybe not though. Whoop wee. Oh my gosh, I like playing hide and seek with my sister in this game, and then going on that slide because it's so hard to see when you're sitting down in the water like that. That's my #1 way of hiding. If she sees this, I'm gonna slap her. I'm joking. But what's the next one? Okay. I'm okay at this one. As long as I'm not around people. If I'm around people and I aim from far away, then that's better. Oh shoot. How did I miss that? I'm pretty sure that's possible. Yeah, that's possible. There's me! Look at my... my arm's going crazy. Okay, oh, okay. Let's go this way. Little, cross in the, corner there. Oh, jeez, that was scary. Is going to tell me which way my ship is going. Okay, come on. Oh, no, 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 that's way too far that way. Got it. This guy. Got him. Again. Nope, I had to miss that one. Okay, turn this back around. Try to get this guy. No, 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 turn back around. Dude, I suck at steering these so bad. They're all missing me, which is good. Come on. Come on. Sorry for the last video. My microphone did not work. Like, it only works if I set it to my default, which is weird because I always do it to the one that's on my computer. They're both on my computer, but oh my gosh, turn around. I don't want to run away. Bro, that guy's all the way over there. Where are my people? I think they all died. Oh my gosh. No, I want to kill this guy. Okay, whatever. Ugh. Dang, that was... I was the only one left. Seriously? That's so annoying. Oh, this is an obby. I'm pretty good at obbies. I'm okay at obbies. Sometimes. Time to show off my skill. I play obby games all the time. Hopefully I don't fall. I think you only get one life with this one. Oh, there's the middle right over there. Oh, right there. Oh shoot, we're starting. Oh jeez, I'm so used to jumping up. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! It really did only have one life. Are you kidding me? I couldn't show off? Oh, now I'm sad. Come on. Give me another chance on like another game. Okay, I still have time to do that. Basically, and what I did in that Minecraft video, since I have time to talk about it, you know, my goal was to make that axe that I did at the end of the video. And then I said bye, going down the stairs of the mine backwards, you know. I got... I don't know. I thought for sure my microphone was on, so I was literally talking to myself the entire time. That is so annoying. Like, I had to restart that Minecraft thing so many times, and then the one time that I actually uploaded the video, like, I thought it was just a bug that it wasn't showing my audio, and that's what I was hoping, so I uploaded it to YouTube, and it still had nothing. Look at me, I'm hidden. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think this is gonna be, like... No, I think we should make, like, two more of these games. Oh my god. Okay. I'm so bad at this. I like to dupe people out, though. Oh jeez. I thought the platform I was on was moving. Well, I mean, that could be a possibility. Why are they walking around with it? I don't think that's how that works. Okay, I got that. I'm not gonna let people follow me, so I'm gonna be like the last one to go to a platform. Okay, yeah. Does that work? Oh, wow, it does. Wow, I suck. They were doing it! Oh my god, that is so annoying. I can't believe how stupid I am. It's probably because... Oh, I shouldn't say that. I can't... Oh, well. Gosh. Well, this next mini game better be good, so that I can make up for that horrible mistake. Like I thought there was like an invisible thing because like a lot of games do that, but no, it's just because it's the situation of certain things when they move is slightly different for everybody. I didn't think that through. Oh my god, I would have won too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah. So, 1 second. Oh my god. Okay, it's A and E. It's A and D that I gotta spam, right? I need a real keyboard. I'm doing this on my laptop. Okay. Yep, it's A and D. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I went a little early. Look how fast that guy's going. Come on, I gotta go faster. No! You guy's winning. I have to be like the top 2 or something. Come on. Come on. Okay. Top 3. That was scary. Jeez. We can do one more. One more. One more. What's this? Fusion? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a controller game because the controller popped up right there. Where's the controller? Right there. Oh, okay. So it's like the lava one, but it's... Oh, wow, that was an easy kill. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty easy. Sad face. Come on. Oh, I want this to be challenging. Probably gonna go for that one. Okay. She could have used so much out of that one too. So much more. I don't know if she's ever done this one before. Maybe not. Maybe that's why she's not really getting them. Like, she just avoided me. Oh wait, I guess that's the end of the map. Okay, whatever. Oh, okay, I won. Nice. Well, I'll see you guys in the, the next video because this is actually about to end, like right now. Here, let's just do this one obby and do the outro there. So that's better. Okay. I feel like it's not even gonna start very much before it even ends. Okay. Okay. So I'll see you guys, you people of the internet, the next video hopefully, because I think I'm gonna upload today. I might do another one of these videos or I might do Minecraft. Hopefully